Okay, so let me explain to you like how they work first. H1 is a heading. H2 is heading. It goes all the way to H6. H1 is the biggest heading you can get. H2 is a little bit smaller, but it's still quite big. H3 is it's almost normal basically. H4 I think is around normal to small. H5 is smaller, and H6 I think is also smaller. It must be smaller because the higher the number, the smaller it gets. Now these are just like the fonts that I did in the last video. If you haven't watched it, please go watch it. It will help you a little. Now basically this is just like something small, just to show you basically how they work. Okay, now headings basically work. Wait, first let's create the HTML page and stuff. Now I'm going to show you all the headings from the biggest to the smallest. I'm going to give you a few examples, and then I'll show you how it looks like, so you can like just get it, just like see how it works. Now first thing, we can just like add a title, not necessary, but just so it's there at least. And yeah, I will catch you after I have copied everything and pasted everything and all of that. Okay, now that we have set everything, just add some text to it. No problem, nothing. It should look fine now, there shouldn't be a problem. Let's quickly see. There you go. See, isn't that beautiful? Now you can see the different sizes and all there is. Usually for a page you use H1. If you like want to have a big heading and you don't know CSS, you use H1. Then yeah, it's pretty nice. So next up is horizontal lines. Okay, now horizontal lines are very easy. You open it, you put an HR in, you put a slash in, and you close it up. There, boom, horizontal line. Now this will make a horizontal line across your page, and a full one, 100% full. And yeah, see, there you go. And you can also add spaces between the HR and the slash. Some people like doing that, but I don't like it. It doesn't look nice, for me at least. But you can do it, there's no problem with that. Okay, and now for comments. Now if you haven't noticed, I have been adding comments the whole time, with the opening bigger as an exclamation mark and two of those stripe thingies. I don't know what you call them in English. And then you end it off with two of those stripe thingies and a closing bracket thingy. So that is a comment. There's no other way of making it. With Java, I know there's like two to three ways. I think it's only two. With Delphi, there's 3 ways as far as I know. But with HTML, there's only 1 way. And this covers multiple lines. So wherever you close it off is wherever the comment ends. And see, it won't show up on the page because it's a comment. You can put it anywhere, it won't matter, because it's technically not being read. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you all for watching. See you all in the next tutorial.